In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and Great Notion Support Services. We'll begin right in your web browser. Open a new tab and head to Google. In the search bar, type Notion and press Enter. You'll see several results, but look for the official Notion website. It should be easy to spot, and going straight to the official site ensures you're in the right place with the latest features and security protections. Once you're on the Notion homepage, look for the Login button near the top of the page. Click it to access your workspace. Use your preferred sign-in method and make sure you land in the workspace where you want to work. If you use more than one account, double-check that you're in the correct one so everything you create goes to the right place. After you're signed in, navigate to Notion AI. You can find Notion AI from the interface or by opening the Notion AI page directly if you see a prompt or banner for it. Notion AI is integrated into the editor, so you'll typically see a space where you can type a request to generate content or structures for your pages. In the Notion AI prompt area, type the following phrase exactly. Build an aesthetic cozy planner. This tells Notion AI precisely what you want it to create. The clearer and more specific your phrase is, the better your result will be. If you like, you can briefly wait a moment to let the system process the request. You should soon see a structured planner concept appear, complete with headings and content that match the aesthetic cozy theme. When the results appear, look for an item or page titled Aesthetic Cozy Planner. Click on Aesthetic Cozy Planner to open it. This will bring you into the generated page so you can view the layout in full. From here, you can scroll to review the sections, note the page structure, and check that it aligns with your intended style and purpose. If the page includes multiple sections or templates, take a quick moment to skim them so you understand what's already in place before you start adapting it later on. That's all there is to it. You searched for Notion, signed in, opened Notion AI, provided a clear prompt, and then selected the Aesthetic Cozy Planner that Notion AI created for you. If you follow these steps, you'll quickly generate a polished starting point that fits a cozy, aesthetic theme and is ready for your personal touch.